Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Friday. It's another beautiful sunny day here in Guelph, and it's day 14 of Understanding Fear, Thinking About Thinking, the 7th day of Be Impeccable with Your Word. And today, I think, is going to be an interesting day. In the online course, I ask participants every day 3 questions. What are you grateful for? What are you going to do? And then a question that's really meant to expand the mind, expand consciousness, and really get you thinking about the power that fear has held over you, as well as the power of our ability to control that and use it in the direction of love and peace and joy. And my gratitude today is for our country's leaders. If you look around the globe, one thing, regardless of your political affiliation and whether you voted for them or not, in Ontario specifically, because I don't know how the other provinces are operating, I'm incredibly grateful for the leadership, not only at the federal level, but also at the provincial level. And what has really amazed me is they have checked their egos at the door, and they're leading based on science. Really, the public health directives are what is dictating what's going on. But at the same time, their words and their messages are very carefully constructed. They're trying to portray the truth, at the same time holding empathy, love, compassion. And today's announcement by the provincial leader, I think, is going to be shocking. A lot of people are under the impression that flatten the curve means that this virus is going to go away. No, that's not science. The virus is not going to go away until we're either all immune to it or a vaccine has been developed against it. Flattening the curve really just means instead of overloading our hospital system with patients that we don't have beds for or even staff, spread it out over a longer period of time. Get people in and get them treated, and then the next wave will come in. And I really do think that although Canada has been somewhat spared compared to other countries like Italy and the US, I think the numbers are going to show that we're nowhere near hitting the apex of this. And again, like my message for a lot of things have been, when you affect the lower rung of Maslow's hierarchy, so safety, security, food, those things rock us to our core. And although I do share that I'm excited by these times and I'm filled with faith and hope, at the end of the day, it still is going to affect all of us, right? There's that element inside of me when I go to a grocery store and everyone is 6 feet away from each other and people are wearing gloves and people are wearing masks. Of course that's going to affect me. And I know it is affecting millions of people out there, billions of people around the world. But really, these are the times to be kind to ourselves, be kind to others, especially. You have no idea what other people are going through. You have no idea who has a loved one that is working on the front lines, that is exposed or maybe recovering, or maybe they've lost a loved one. And it's all too easy in our current world to judge and become frustrated. And I know this message, for those of you who are actually watching this, chances are what I'm saying is nothing new to you. Chances are you agree with me. And that's why I always ask is, my messages necessarily aren't for the people who are hearing them. My message is for the people who are on the periphery, maybe the people who are searching for answers, who are searching for that light in the darkness. And if I can't be the light in the darkness, I hope that maybe you're able to. And it's my phrase that I say a lot: you can cut open an apple and count the seeds, but you can never count the apples that are produced from the seeds inside the apple you cut open. So be a seed, plant a tree, and be a fruit for someone else. Be the light for someone else. We are all in this together, and we're going to get through it. So I encourage you today, be kind to everybody. Smile, just because we can't be close to one another, if you see a stranger, smile. It'll be amazing what that might do for them, but also for yourself. So with that, I love you all. Enjoy your day. No matter what the Premier in Ontario announces today, understand it is coming from a place of truth and love and hope, resiliency, and all of those beautiful words that are going to get us through this. So, love you all, and wash your hands. Have a great day.